Konnichiwa YouTube. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing video for a set of armour that I had made recently. Okay, I suppose that's the invoice. I'll deal with that later. Hopefully you'll find it interesting, but if nothing else it gives me a good opportunity to try and remember what all the parts of the armour are actually called. I'm sure you already know that a helmet is often called a kabuto, but in this video I'm only going to be looking at the kachu, which is the armour that protects the body and legs and arms. So the first piece I've come across is the do, the actual main part of the armour that protects the body and the back. Just like the other sets of armour in the Matsumoto Gunko, it's completely black with some purple and dark blue detail. This set of armour is hinged on the left hand side with a brass rod, makes it a lot easier to get on and off. And there's also a nicely detailed standing collar at the back. Here we have some decent heavy sode, the shoulder protectors, and they just attach to the armour itself. Following that, this is the haidate. It protects the upper part of the leg. It sits underneath the kusazuri, which is the body armour extensions that hang down in front and behind the armour. The haidate itself is nicely detailed like all of the sets of armour we have at the Matsumoto Gunko, and it actually just ties around the waist itself. I think that's enough for this short video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to us so you can see us when we're back in action at Matsumoto Castle, hopefully in autumn 2020.